So, the final chapter in the Sol story, or at least the restoration side of things. As you'll see from this vacant lift, the restoration, thanks to Adam Jones and the team at Holden Morgan, the project, the restoration project, is now concluded, as you will see from the next clip. So Sol's on its journey across Europe, Mediterranean Sea, down the Suez Canal, then the Gulf of Aden, and finally the Arabian Sea to Dar es Salaam, where this rally starts. 25 days, 6,700 kilometers, exploring Tanzania, Malawi, Zambia, Botswana, Swaziland, and finally South Africa. What we hope to do is a daily or near to daily blog of our adventure. So please stay in touch, see how we get on, and join us in the journey.